Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be practicing our sounds. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you a sound and you're going to try to say it before I do. Then I'll show you a picture of things that start with that sound. T. Here's a picture of a talking tomato. This tomato is saying, "Hi." Here's a picture of some super sticky slime. Ah. Here's a picture of some animals that are astronauts. I see a bear, a hippo, an elephant, and a giraffe. Here's a picture of some thumbs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. This picture has 3 thumbs. E. Here's a picture of an eel eating ice cream. Here's a picture of a magical mermaid. D. Here's a picture of a dancing dinosaur dressed as a ballerina. Here's a picture of an inchworm measuring themselves to be 1 inch tall. K. Here's a picture of a very cool cat. Here's a picture of a nice ninja. Here's a picture of a frog eating French fries. Here's a picture of a robot jumping rope with a rainbow. Now we're going to practice reading this sentence. Remember, finger on the big ball, sound it out, get ready, see. Again, get ready, see. What word? See. Next word. Get ready. Me. Again. Get ready. Me. What word? Me. Next word. Remember, when we see a little sound, we do not say that sound. There's no ball under that sound, so we will not be saying that sound. Sound it out. Get ready. Eat. Again. Get ready. Eat. What word? Eat. Now I'm going to read the sentence the fast way. See me eat. And here's a picture and you can see me eat a huge sandwich. Great job reading and saying all those sounds today, students. I will see you on Monday. Bye.